The Swarnim Vijay Mashaal that entered the state of Meghalaya on the 27th of July 2021 was received by the Chief Minister of the state, CONRAD SANGMA, on the 29th of July 2021 at Polo grounds in Shillong. To commemorate India's victory over Pakistan in 1971 and to honor the bravery and sacrifice of the Indian armed forces during the Indo-PAK war, as well as the liberation of Bangladesh, a special event had been organized at the Polo ground in Shillong in the presence of senior military, ex-servicemen of Meghalaya, police officials and state government dignitaries. Speaking at the function, the Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Conrad SANGMA, called upon each one present to salute the armed forces for their supreme sacrifice for the nation and also encouraged the youth of the state to take inspiration from these martyrs while choosing the right path to serve the nation.
Dear friends, I, on behalf of the people of Meghalaya, thank you all for gracing the occasion by your presence. It's a matter of immense pride and honor for the people of Shillong to have this auspicious event of hosting the victory flame of 1971 war. This year is being celebrated as Swarnim Vijay Mashaal, to honor the sacrifice of our gallant forces. On 16th December 2020, the victory flame was ignited by the Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi to mark the celebration of 50 years of victory of 1971 war by the sovereign state of India on East Pakistan. The flame is being taken to all the army commands by brave soldiers of the Indian Army, Air Force